morning, good evening, good afternoon, boys. How are you doing today? I hope you're actually having a blessed day today, because I am, man. Can you see that? That's sunshine. Now I'm gassed. I am so happy. Basically means that I can get to doing the bike, get to doing the fairings, the plastics. That being said, let me run you through what today's episode is going to be. Seeing as we're on episode, I believe 7? 6 or 7? I'm not too sure. Not too sure. So the plan for this episode today is I want to take off any of the little things like these little indicators. This decal, basically reuse that if I do it properly. This one is definitely just getting taken off, man. This is just a sticker. This one here, I'll be able to reuse, I believe. Basically just go over all the fairings and see what little drink is. Oh, and the little chrome bit right there. Yeah, wait, Uggs. That's the plan for today, basically. Really and truly, this whole process is going to take a good 2-3 days. So I need to just smash it out as much as possible. Oh, also what I want to do is I've got, what does it say, bondo? Easy sand down carpet or whatever it is. Basically bondo. I want to use it for little cracks like this. I want to plastic weld that and then bondo over it, shape it up, getting it to manufacturer style. Enough of me waffling. Let me clear up the workstation so that I can start taking apart the fairings and getting them ready for the sanding, prepping, the fixing. Just get them ready, basically. So let me set you guys down. We'll get the road. So I managed to get the front indicators out. Now what I want to do is I want to get the heat gun, heat around here, obviously from a bit of a distance so it doesn't melt, and then for plastic, then get my little scraper thing, come underneath it, and that should be front done. I'll probably use the heat gun on this as well, where it says mojito. So take off that bit, take off that bit. Obviously this is where the little crack is, but I'm gonna come back to this afterwards, after I finish taking off all the little accessories and all the other panels. And then yeah, I'll go from there, baby. Alright, so something like this, definitely gonna need to do bondo later on. This, all this, all this. This was plastic welded. They obviously didn't do the finishing touch of doing the bondo over it. Right now what I want to do is I'll take all this off, all this other little accessories off, so that I won't have to worry about masking it or anything like that. So these two were so base, they were welded together. That's the best way I can explain it, because they were not budging at one bit. So I'm going to have to fix that, plastic repair, plastic welding these two, these three, and then we'll Dremel these out from here. We've all good. The rear is done. All we're gonna do is come back, clean, sand, and prep it for the primer.
The next day.
Boom, boys, how you doing, man? Today's a brand new day. Do you know what? I'm not even gonna bother wasting time talking, just trying to waffle on. Basically, right now what I wanna do is I wanna plastic repair first, then bondo, then sand, then get it prepped up, ready for painting. So without even wasting any time, I'm gonna start doing that now. Alright, so I don't know if you guys can see in the background, somewhere over there. Managed to basically clean everything. I've cleaned everything today, but my hands, look at it, look at that. But yeah, so what we'll do right now, I'm gonna rinse off with the jet wash. I'm probably not gonna record it because there's no need. Then I can literally start with the plastic welding. So yeah.
The next morning.
Alright, I'm feeling good, man. How are you feeling? I wanted to show you guys how the panels came out looking, because obviously yesterday we finished it off in the dark, so I couldn't really show you guys the end results of the clean. So let me quickly turn the camera around. These actually came out beautiful. Ooh. Oh my lord, in fact, let me chuck in the B-roll here. To you boys, when I tell you these panels come out looking good, so good, I'm actually even shocked. Like, I'm even contemplating that, do I even paint them? Yeah, I'm gonna paint them. They definitely need the repair work, they need the painting, they need that special K touch. So right now what I want to do is get everything that needs to be plastic welded, get it ready, set up my little desk, set everything up, and start plastic welding. For you guys, I'll just sit back, get yourself a cup of Rosie Lee, that's tea, and enjoy the video, man, because we're gonna be here for a while. I'm excited. The one I want to show you the most is this one. Ooh, remember that? That was literally big boy hole. Been filled up, been flattened down. I've even kept the curvature right here. That's another one. Done. There's another one. Done. Repaired. It's not the best, but it will happily do in it.
Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it's that. Being with you just feels right. You said we could meet it when it's that. Sun is about to go down. So what you doing tonight?
Next day.
How you doing today? Brand new day. It's kind of looking gloomy, but I'm gonna make the best of it. Let me show you guys. There was literally nothing here, and if we look that side, it is semi-symmetrical. Literally, we built that out of nothing, so I am quite proud of that. Oh, and this one as well. Obviously, I still need to drill the holes here, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bondo over it and then drill holes after, so it looks like that. Then we're able to smooth it, paint it. Right now what I want to do is I want to sand around here so the bondo can catch on. So I'm gonna do probably 80 grit. Yeah, 80 grit and 240, something along those lines. That makes sense. It makes sense to me.
Being with you just feels right. Said we could meet it when it's that. Yeah, slow down. Sun is about to go down. So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of. Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping
me show you guys. It's actually come out looking good. So this is the, I believe it's 60 grit. Look at the fine. Oh my lord, fine. This is smooth. Yeah, so back's done, front's done. I'm gonna do this one next, and then we'll do the under part for this one, which is this one. We'll do this one afterwards. Let me set you guys in a new position. Said we could meet it when it's started.
About to go down. So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of. Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now.
Boys, goddamn boys, they're officially done. Yeah, let me show you guys a few bits. This was easy, but obviously the bit that we fixed ourselves. So if you guys look, this is the end result now. This is gonna get painted over. Obviously this one, if you can see this side, this one has a hole there. So what I'm gonna do is I'll drill it before painting. If not, I'll just do that after painting. Ooh, I like my bikes with big backs. That's come out looking nice, even, good. I am quite proud of that one. That's done, dusted. Ooh. How you guys liking the lighting as well? Oh yeah, you see how dark it is, but because of this lighting, I'm shining bright like a diamond. Yeah, let me know in the comments below how you like this lighting, how you like this setup. But this is the front. God damn, the curvature. Uno momento. Yeah, you cannot tell. Once it's been primed, you would not be able to tell that there was a crack there. So you guys literally got to see me fix a crack, then bondo it all in one sitting. That's beautiful, man. I love it. I love it. That basically wraps up today's episode. We actually got a lot done. It's taken 3-4 days. I don't know. Really and truly, it's taken a long time, innit? A lot longer than I would have liked, but this is the process that we have to go through in order to get the bike to the stage that we want it. It's gonna look beautiful. It's actually gonna look beautiful. So that being said, boys, for the next episode, the plan is to prime. Actually, no. First things first. I need to get the alcohol wipe everything down, get all the dust off, get all the grease, and then prime them. So yeah, tomorrow, prime the plastics. Whilst they're drying, I'm gonna wet sand all the other parts like the engine casing, the wheels, stuff like that I've already primed. Get them ready for the base coat. Wet sand them once they're finished drying, and then we'll put the new lick of paint down, and that should be to this episode. Boys, I really hope you enjoyed this episode. If you have, please hit that like button. It helps you out a lot. If you didn't, hit the dislike button. Let me know in the comments below. I like positive criticism, and it helps me out. Yeah, it helps me out by helping you out. I don't know how, but it helps me out. I genuinely hope you guys have had a good day. I hope you've enjoyed the episode. I'm your boy, I'm your host, I'm your mechanic KV, and I'm out, baby.